Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey here, and normally I stick to Cape May County only. You know, the Wildwood Video Archive is specifically made for everything going on in Cape May County, but sometimes there's history being made in other counties, and so right now I'm in Atlantic City because they're going to be tearing down the Trump Plaza very shortly, and so I figured, why don't we get some drone footage? We got a little parking lot over here we can fly in, get some cool footage of what it looks like now, because it's going to be coming down very shortly. Now, before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. You see, here's another sign that would have said the Trump Plaza. You can see they already cut away the causeway that allows you to walk from the building to this parking structure here. And if you actually look through, they're working. Ripping stuff down. Now, just a brief little history. This was built in 1984, obviously by Trump himself. You know, at this point, the casinos were booming down here, and this was his third one of all of them, I believe, at this point, because he had the Trump Marina, he had the Taj Mahal, and he had the Plaza over here. Now, ultimately in 2014, they stopped using this building, they left it alone. It wasn't until later on, around 2016, 18, the building really started falling apart. Things were falling off of it and hitting the ground, and so Mayor Small, the mayor of Atlantic City, said we need to get rid of this building. And so the new owners bought the property, which is another billionaire, which you do know, I believe he also owns the ocean. What's his name? Icon, whatever his name is. Long story short, he agreed to get rid of the building, and so this is where we are today. Now, originally they were having a charity put together and raising money to press the button to implode it, but they kind of stopped that. Now it's just a regular implosion, and originally it was scheduled for sometime in January, but they pushed it back to February, and they cited health concerns. So anyway, let's go ahead and put the drone in the sky. So there you guys go. Now you got to see the final days of the Trump Plaza. Now, unfortunately, today's winds, you can probably hear in the camera, were probably almost, I would say that my drone can do up to 12 miles an hour perfectly fine. we were about 13 miles per hour, so you could tell that some of those shots were not really as fluid as I normally like them to be. But hey, I'm not picking that it comes down, so I had to quickly run over here and just quickly film it before it is completely gone. Anyway, thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Joey, and as always, I'll see you later. Bye.